Hello and welcome to TOYSREVIL. Today I'm going to take a unboxing and look at Just a Girl, Hello Nori's blind box figure from Pop Mart. Again, this is an impromptu unboxing, and I'm doing unboxings on a few of my social media channels. So Instagram is one of them, and I've decided to do it live as I always do because then I don't really need to re-edit it. So I'll say hi to everyone. I apologize if I do not reply immediately to your questions. I'll do an unboxing, have a look at the box, unboxing first, look at the figure. Then maybe I'll do a little question and answer later on. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm focusing on the box, so I can't really read what you're writing. But it's all good. I hope everybody's cool. Hope everybody's enjoying themselves. And this is what time is it right now? 12? I can't remember, 12-ish on a Sunday morning in Singapore. So let's have a look at the box first. This is the Hello Nori, Just a Girl blind box series. This sticker came when I purchased it. It bugs me quite a little bit, but yeah, I totally understand if they needed this to say that I purchased it. These are the figures. I don't know if you can see it. None too clear, but at least everything is in a go. When I first saw the box online, I had thought that, it looked like a cereal box because it's not like a regular, more square-ish type of boxes. But then it dawned on me, it felt as much more of a VHS, video cassette tape, than it does a cereal box. So if that's the case, I don't know. I don't have access to or rather, I've not spoken to the designer, creator. But it goes in line with the retro-ish city pop context of his design. So yeah, I'll just hold it as a VHS box. Bear with me. So this is one of the few boxes that I have taken. I have 3. I've opened one already. This is my second unboxing. First one I'll post on my YouTube. So second unboxing live on Instagram Live. And yeah, now that you've seen the box, I like the embossing. Seeing the box, let's open it right up. The opening is at the side, which I thought was pretty cool. Not like on the top, it's at the side. So really it reinforces the you can see the clasp. Really reinforces the VHS context, at least to me anyway. Ta-da! Nice. And yes, not because I can close the clasp, or rather the flat back. That to me is just as important. Ta-da! You can see the figure already. So there is not a matter of blind box in the past where there is a sealed package. You open it right up and you would see, ta-da, the figure. Oh, nice. Nice, I wanted this. You can see the figure itself. Put the box down. Came with this. Put this aside. Yay, this is my pole. Very nice. We'll look at the figure later. We'll look at the card that comes with it. There's a QR code. Again, I'm unsure if the QR code does anything, which I suspect to click to view the comic illustration that comes with the figure by the creator Aragon himself, illustrated by the creator himself, but not too sure lah. I have to try it out. But it comes with a solid thick card. Sorry, I'm flicking your card. Yes, let me read. Pretty nice packaging indeed, man. Sorry, I can't adjust my eyesight. But yes, I agree. Super solid packaging. Bro, I cannot read your name. Sorry, my eyesight is a bit screwed today. But anyway, apologies for that. Have a look at the box, or rather my pool. It's a plastic tray. Open up. Let's have a look at the figure. Nice. Nice. This is a RAM matte figure. The graphics, we'll have a closer look. Loving the format of Instagram where it's the portrait format. You can see the figure in full. I'll do a quick turn around. Nice. I love the fade. The matte is something I wasn't prepared for. Later I'll show you why. Now look at the figure first. Can I go close up? Loving the glasses. The spectacles that come with the figure. Yeah, the matte condition it is. Black. So the special aspect of this series is, which I only found out when I read online, is it read that I can change the hair and shoes. Does that make sense? So I didn't understood until I opened my previous box and here that yes, I'm sorry if I'm decapitating the figure, and also legs. So this is the torso, and the joints are held by magnets, which I thought was pretty cool. So the magnets are strong enough to hold. I'm still scared they will drop lah. Yeah, strong enough to hold, but don't shake it about. It's not a stress test. I must say it up front. And now put on the shoes. Okay, what I'm going to do now is do a demo of the exchange parts. Let me put this aside properly first. Put this aside. I didn't plan on doing this until now. This was my previously opened box for another video. Yeah, I should do this after this was the figure. This was I'm getting a bit overexcited. But anyway, let me show you the figure that I opened up in the previous unboxing. You can see that this is a highly glossy finish. Very glossy. That matches his Just a Girl releases with 222 Kawaii, his own brand, with Woolworks. Way before this. Way before this, when it was a resin figure. So you can see this is matte and this is gloss. And when they said they're interchangeable hair, let's give it a try. Literally means that It's like paper dolls, you can change the head. Adorable Okay, let's change the shoes. I'm a sucker for this, man. This reminds me of like Pinky Street. I used to collect Pinky Street. Not as much as I would love to, but I did. So it's the modern context of paper dolls. Yeah, I'm cool with it, man. I don't care if you're gonna judge me. But anyway, there it is. Awesome! Awesome! You can change the shoe. Awesome! Nice. Yeah, I'm not focusing properly. Let's go back to the original look of this version. So I'm not going to front. You're going to enjoy it because of the interchangeability. If you don't, then this figure is not for you, man. Yeah. So mix and match. Nice. Wow, nice, man. I am a convert already. Oh, okay. Let's have a. Later I'll do the effect. Can't do it here. Can't really see. Maybe in my next video. This figure, I'll put this back. Maybe I'll not put it back in the box because I might do another promo, or no, rather a demo in another video. Anyway, this is Just a Girl, Hello Nori from PopMart. Nice. So I'll hold this figure here and give a few moments for anybody who has any questions right now about the figure that I can answer. Throw it my way. Let me refocus my eyesight into reading this. Yes, answer to Gonza 98. It is to me a fabulous packaging for a toy. Agreed, man. Agreed. It's a Sunday morning. I think just turned lunch that I am unboxing this. So this is a pretty chill way to spend my Sunday. And with that, since there are no questions, I will end this live stream And hope everybody enjoyed my unboxing of Just a Girl Hello Nori blind box from Pop Mart. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.